Here's the recipe box, that template that I created for you to use in Canva in creating your own design. And I think you're going to really enjoy this paper craft type of printable, especially now that you have a easy way of creating, like I said, your own designs with using Canva. So what I have here is you know when you download or you click on the link here in the library, you'll be taken to your Canva account, and you'll notice that there will be these three elements here. Now, there is no branding on these pages, so I did leave spots for you to do your own branding if you wanted to, and that way you can sell these designs or the designs like you want, like however however creative you want it to be. So like this gray area here, you could put your name or your website or your Etsy shop. You could put any type of information on the bottom here, anywhere. And then also you have these ends here where you can put your branding on here, like I said, your Etsy shop, your company name, any type of information like that. And same thing goes with this gray area here as well. Now, let's say you wanted to change out the back area, for a design. All you need to do is grab the corner. Now, these were designed to be 8.5 by 11, and so when you, let's say, I'm going to create a page here, and I want to take and add a background, for instance. What I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe make this 8.5 by 11, this little background paper, and this was purchased off of Creative Fabrica. Canva does have their own type of patterns, or you can, like I said, make your own. But I'm just going to use this as an example. Let me go ahead and zoom out really quick. And you can see here when I click on that image, I need to resize it. And like I said, this is for 8.5 by 11 size. So you see, it's just really simple to create. Now, if you happen to, like I said, you're getting in this template for the first time, and you see that all these images here, these transparent background PNG type images for this template, are at full scale, and you want to change the background, all you need to do is just grab that corner again and just scale it down, and then just change your background. You can change the color, you can add your images. Like I said, I have some here where we could create different type of patterns, backgrounds for that. Let's see, we're going to send that to position to the back and scale it here. Then let's grab my template. Oops, let's go and take that color out. Grab my template, scale that back up to 8.5 by 11, and there you have your pattern. So a lot of opportunities here. Like I said, this is the no branded. Feel free to brand your own stuff on this if you'd like. It's a part of the Canva Template library, and I hope you enjoy it. Of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. All right, I will talk to you again very soon.